I get this question all the time. Devin, how do you tell if your script is specific enough to feel useful without drowning the viewer in detail? Here's the rule. Keep the details that change the viewer's next move. Cut the details that only prove you know a lot. I use a simple 3-part test. First, can the viewer picture it? If a line is vague, add one concrete thing. A tool, a number, a scenario, or a before and after. Just one. Usually one sharp detail makes the point feel real. Second, does that detail change the advice? If removing it doesn't change what the viewer would do next, it's probably clutter. Third, does the detail create a side quest? If you mention something that needs its own explanation before the viewer can continue, you're slowing momentum. Either move it later or cut it. So, the sweet spot is one idea, one useful detail, one clear action. A good gut check is to read the section out loud. If the detail makes the sentence heavier but not more actionable, trim it. Inside Satura, this is one of the easiest script review filters to standardize across drafts. Useful beats exhaustive every time.